Growth is never by mere chance. It is the result of the forces that is working in the back end which is driving the business. Growth is just not a one-day achievement, rather it is a day-to-day achievement. Getting a business into existence is surely an effort worth appreciated, but expanding your business, making it profitable, to put the business in an autopilot mode, beside that, maintaining the principle, ethics, values, vision, missions, along with the employee satisfaction is something related to the leadership. Yes, to have all these things achieved, you need a mentor, you need a guidance, you need a person who has got a very good experience on all this and who is capable enough to take your business to the next level. My friends, I welcome you all on the platform of UTBR. At the UTBR, Unravel the Business Riddle, we usually interact with the business owners, the top line guys who is responsible for the business expansion or the business policies, business strategies. And we ensure with our consultation and services, we align your team so that your team has a common goal, they are in sync with the management's and the owner's vision. And accordingly, they carry the vision to the customers and it makes your business more profitable and valuable. In total, UTBR is all about you, the business owner, your team, your business, and ultimately the most interesting part of the business, that is the revenue. My friend, I have been interacting with lots of business owners, and many a times I get a feeling the companies are still shrouded in their day-to-day challenges, their operational activities. The challenges could be anything. Okay. In total, if I have to sum up all the problems, many companies, they hit the ceiling of complexities at the early stage or at a later stage. How one can overcome this ceiling of complexities with a very right strategy or with a very good approach. To understand that, we'll have to first understand how the business comes into picture and how the business grows. The business is usually incepted by the business owner or a person who has a very strong level of will, very high level of passion, who is very passionate, very enthusiastic, very energetic, very smart, very sharp, innovative, creative, and all. He brings an entity into picture. He, along with his team, probably 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 people, he operates the business. Now, what happens? How the business grows? The energy, the passion, the vision, the power of the owner gets channelized to the team. Even in the team, not everybody is capable enough to carry the same vision, power, mission. Then the selected teams at the top level, they absorb, they grasp, and they take the responsibility of carrying the same vision and enthusiasm down the line to the team. Now, this team carry forward the vision, the mission, the passion, the objective and strategy down the line to the channel partner or to the associates or the anybody that is associated with the companies. Now these channel partners should have the same level of energy, vision, mission, passion, strategy, objective clearly defined so that they carry the same enthusiasm and energy to the customers. Means they serve to the customer with the same zeal and passion. This is how the business expands from the owner to the team to the channel partner or associates or any entity who is in association with the companies, and these people ultimately transfers the product or services or whatever the company intend to give to the customer, it reaches to the customer end. This is the whole percolation of the business process. Now, beside these 4 things, there are 4 basic, very important things which has to be bear in mind. The first thing, you know what reaches to the customers even before your product reaches to them? It is the emotions. Yes, you have to very well ensure all the courier, every hand who is associated in your business is good enough to carry the same kind of emotions. The emotions, zeal, enthusiasm, the passion, it is reaching to the customers and the customer absorbs it either through the media, through the online media or marketing mode or through any other modes. The customer quickly absorbs the same kind of feelings. If you look into any sort of advertisement that probably would be coming to your screen, you would be feeling there is a message. That message is what? It is the channelization of emotion. The emotion is reaching to you. Now, next is what? The second thing, to drive everything, there has to be a value, the principle which has to be carried forward. Means the company has been incepted with a vision and the mission and the goal and the objective. This has to be maintained at every point, at every entity. At a third stage, the principle, the honesty, integrity, what the company carries. Every company works on certain principles, the certain values. That principle has to be maintained down the line, across the line, horizontally and vertically. It should reach to the customers, and once all this goes to the customers, along with that, you'll be able to execute your product and services. To those companies who have been constantly hitting the ceiling of complexities, you are not able to bail out yourself, you are shrouded yourself into day-to-day challenges. Either it is related to your team or related to market, competitors, products, government compliances, marketing policies, the sales strategies. Your number has just become constant or stagnant line, or it is going downwards. Probably we could be the right alliance for your company, and certainly our ideas, our thoughts, our methods, our strategy, our creativity, our innovation will definitely help you to grow your sales. It will help you to take your business to the next level on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, and you will be able to transform our legacy to the next generations. If you are interested in knowing more about us, you can write to us at a given email, or you can drop in your comments. We shall be contacting you very soon. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.